Here is step-by-step guide how to create Ambire Wallet account on your phone. So first of all, find your App Store or Google Play, doesn't matter. And after that, tap on search field right here and type in Ambire Wallet. Scroll down until you find this wallet. Tap on install, confirm, wait installation, tap on open, tap on OK, and after that proceed to wallet. And as you can see here, set up your keystore pin and sync transaction using PIN or biometric, and your PIN is unique. So now I'm gonna tap on get started, and now you can enter your PIN code. After that, tap on setup Ambire keystore. Now you can proceed with email or proceed with Nano Ledger X, and after that proceed with external signer. And also you can tap on more options and import JSON file. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this video or this playlist about crypto.